how to get your haircut to stay back, or how to get your hairstyle to stay back. Well, it really comes down to a couple of things. If you've got really soft hair, right, and the hair just wants to constantly fall forward this way, you have to use a product that is super strong because you need that hair to stay in place. There's no way you can get your hair, and I see this all the time when people say, I want my hair to stay back and I want it to be like a super strong hold, but I want it to be pliable and I want to run my fingers through it all day. Well, guess what? Look what happens when you run your fingers through your hair. Look, it starts to flop down, all right? You keep running your fingers through it, and there, now it starts to settle, and you shake your head, and look, it falls down this way. That's not staying back at all. If you want your hair to stay back, what you need to do is, it's as simple as using a super strong product. Like I've got my product Power Cream. It's literally like bulletproof hold. It's super strong hold. Work it through the hair or through your hands where it's still creamy. Quickly work it through, get those sides down, get the top down, slick it back, set it, and forget it. That's it. It's not gonna fall down. It's not going anywhere. If you don't want to use a super strong holding product, then you have to find something that is a little more lightweight. I like, personally, my, I don't even know where it is. Oh, here it is, my matte pomade. This is an incredible product, and I describe this, everyone says it's exactly how I describe it. This is it, my crafted matte pomade. This is perfect. Oh, it smells so good. It's perfect for getting that slick back kind of look, but without it feeling like it's bulletproof, okay? So just take a nice scoop like this, right? A nice scoop, and I always end up using too much product. And what you want to do is you're going to want to work it through the palms and then into the hands like this, because this is where we're applying from. We're applying from the fingers, all right? So work it through. I like to leave it where it's still a little bit kind of creamy. It breaks down into the hands very well, as you can see. So now I'm not seeing any product. It's at the right consistency where it's still a little bit of that lighter texture, and then you just work it through. I like to start with the sides first, because a lot of times people just want to tame down the sides. So let's get those sides down first, and then now it's just all about slicking back and shaping the hair into place so that you can have a nice style to it. This product absorbs into the hair very well. As you can see, that's what I love about it. It's not going to give you like a super strong hold or anything. However, and I will tell you this, it does have a nice pliable hold, and it works better as it is in the hair over time. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So let this sit, let this dry into the hair, let it take shape. I can assure you in a day or two, this will look even better because the product will have dried fully into the hair, and this is really gonna be an amazing product and style even 2 days after it's applied onto the hair. Just let it dry. Don't touch it. Don't like run your fingers through it. Just let it sit, because once you have this style, the minute you start working your hands through it, it's gonna just break down and it's not gonna look right. So in my opinion, slick it back, set it and forget it. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20 and you'll get 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com.